Greetings all, Dr. Dave here with another Mindstorms EV3 video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look at using display blocks to display images on the brick screen. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is go over to the Action tab and copy or drag across a display block. Notice with the display blocks we can either have text, shapes or images. We're going to stick with images in this case. Click on this area up here and we can either load up images that are already within our project, or we can load up some from our image files directory. So we're going to choose one from this folder, the eyes folder, and we're going to firstly choose the middle left. So effectively, there we go, see it up here, eyes are looking left. Introduce a brief wait of 1 second to start off with. Then we're going to include another display block. In this case, same configuration, but we'll choose the middle right. So the pupils go to the right, and at the end, another 1 second pause. Okay, so if we ran that, we'd see initially the pupils on the left, brief pause, pupils on the right, brief pause, then the program ends. So let's animate that a little bit by introducing a loop. So we introduce a loop here, copy these blocks inside the loop, and let's decrease the time a little bit. So we'll make each of those wait statements go for 0.2, and we'll run that loop using the count option, run that loop 10 times. So if we add it all up, each time around the loop is going to take 0.4 of a second, times that by 10, the entire loop will take 4 seconds. So having gone from left to right, bricks are a little dizzy now, so to end the program, we'll put in a final display block. Again, go into the image files, eyes, and we're going to include the dizzy image. And we'll keep that on the screen for, let's say, 5 seconds before the program ends. Alrighty, so that's basic introduction to using display blocks to display images. As you can see there's quite a few different images to choose from, and indeed you would be able to design your own images as well using the image editor. I'm not going to do that today, but you might want to have a go at that yourself. Right, cheers guys, hopefully that's been useful.